Hi everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome back to Mocha Macrame. In this pattern tutorial, we will be going over a DIY rainbow mandala. So I'm not sure if you can see, but the mandala pattern is hung up right here. What's unique about this particular mandala pattern is that I've used 5 different colored cords to make it, which I feel like resembles more closely to a traditional mandala. The mandala symbolizes unity and harmony, and for this one I wanted to make it more vibrant, and that is why I incorporated color cords to make this mandala. To make the mandala symmetrical with the color, you do have to continue adding the color at the same spots throughout the pattern. We start off with the pattern alternating 2 different colors, and then we add 3 more colors at different sections throughout the pattern. If you want a particular color to show, you can switch over the knots, and I'll show you how this is done later in the tutorial. Incorporating color into the pattern can really change up the design of a piece, and it can also make it really fun to work with as well. And with that, let's get started.